What do you want me to do?
Meet me at the road. Just meet me at the road. Meet me at the road. Back in the shot with Amanda, you know it's been a few minutes. Committed to fit with Christ, baby, you did it. The mother of 5 beautiful children. Proverbs 31, Lord Jesus, thank you. Jesus, one of them women.
Don't be distracted by the things you don't like to know. Distress Jesus, let me feel what the Holy Ghost.
He said, what I tell you in the dark, speak in the day. How can a city on a hill be hid up in the nighttime? Why aren't you just letting your light shine? Jesus Christ gives the power so we able. The candle does not belong under a table. I try to tell you about the rooftop, you said that you don't wanna go. I don't wanna rush you, but baby, we can take it slow. Jesus the way to go. Got my love on overload.
What do you want me to do?
I try to tell you about the rooftop, you say that you don't wanna go. I'm not trying to rush you, but baby, we can take it slow. Jesus the way to go. Got my love on overload. I try to Ready? Say hello. Let's go. Let's show 'em. When you get wake and pray on a water balcony, trying to reflect the sunshine, but they gotta throw the shade. They say I'm sipping in my cup, it's still lemonade, but I function in dysfunctions, I don't know no other way. But Jesus, yeah, that's why I gotta give him praise. That's how he focus on the mission, on superstition. Dog, I ain't playing, I be praying, hoping I'm wishing it. March Madness, it ain't the shoes who go do in the ball head. Man, you should go ahead and please hear my song. And don't leave me alone.
Okay, that was
Cool, but we don't love you like that. We see you on trains, but that don't mean you on track. You might just go down this whack, we going, what, how they go, look, I mean, how they go, please hear my song, and don't leave me alone. When you can wake and pray on the water balcony, reflect the sunshine, they just try to throw the shade. But I can function in dysfunction. Jesus is the only way. We going. And you can go yeah, you can go. How do I still stand? Look, when my life is like a roller coaster, one day it's ESPN, the next could be a wanted poster. They with you one day, the next they oppose you. They say they wish you well, but they really just want to toast to you. Fails, when I won't even tell you how many times that I've been counted out. Look, that's a shot I hit, I gotta shout like you talking about the Lala seeing DMs wanna go about. This is the biggest decision of your life. I said that it's the playoffs, we headed to the finals. They said how in the world could I assist my rifle? They thought that I fell for the okie doke, but it was an alley-oop, y'all. I don't even want no smoke in the joints, Miss Sykes and off-white. Nah, I think I choked 31 Reggie Mellon round the neck, and that's just they hope. Nah, they was adding up the wrong factors. They said I was NPSC, and my game ain't that backwards. It wasn't back to the game with no back-to-back championship. But like sweetness, I am back on my back, hot as I'm a dip. Sin City, salt and light, they say I'm only here for the strip. And I'm accused of pimping cause I'm in Dakota. I mean, you been plantation lies on me like I ain't got you. Yeah! But I really got the king, and that's Jesus, you see. That the shuttle's worth. Jake coming back, and I know that hurt. I'll probably get hate from that. Like when I like to sell ticks and having a heat attack. But they asking where my coffin's at. Like, be careful what you call your facts. Cause I got them shot from these Nike Reeboks. Nah, I ain't say Reebok. They got the question and the answer, and I ain't talking AI. That's the artificial intelligence that had you real fly and all that jets and lifestyle. Give me the last shot. Cause Jesus the one that's gonna make it They said something. You're supposed to go out, make it bumpin'. Like,
It ain't the shoes.
you're supposed to go hard. You're supposed to kill it, dude. You're supposed to go hard. It's 2020 and it's easy to find. She's the one that put his life on the line. Talking about the solid rock I stand. Just giving you this in his hands. He opened that door. It's in his plans. I'm just a follower. I'm not a fan. Could you get on the wagon? I'm just trying to spread the gospel. And I'm just a nobody trying to tell you that anything with Christ is possible. Say you'll be mine. Say you'll be mine again. Say you'll be mine. Say you'll be mine again. Say you'll be. It's like the reintroduction. Say you'll be mine. I'm always up to something. I know this much is true. I love you, but you say this time it just won't do. I know that you wanna feel love. And there's nothing wrong with love. I know that you wanna feel love. And there's nothing wrong with being loved. It's the reintroduction. It's sneaking thinking of me, say I'm always up to something. Before the night I drop the sweatsuit for the shirt with the cuffs and the button. I believe we need to take it at the right pace and not all of a sudden some people gimme, not know what they want. And with the silence, when you got the answers to get us unstuck, that's wisdom unused. We'll end up with.
What'd you say?
Nothing. It's like the reintroduction. The sneaker in, he say he think I'm always up to something. Like I'm always up to something. Maybe that's you not knowing what you wanting. But will you say you'll be mine again? And love of my life. I'm like the Lord's the one you trustin'. Act and breathe when you know that he's always doing something. Asking, seeking, and knocking for his will. Not for what you wantin'. I love you when I pray the time shows that it's real. I know that you there's nothing wrong with being loud. I know that you loud. I know that you wanna feel loud. There's nothing wrong with wanting to be loud. Amanda. He's got the Jordans and the KDs. Those are LeBrons and Kyries. Oh man, where did you get these? I try to play it cool. When they say, hey Nico, what make you think that you can do just what you do? And you ain't pay no dues. I'm trying to tell you right now, yeah. That it just ain't the shoes. They say, nah, Nico, stop right there. I got the red Octobers and I know people stop and stare. Is it the reaction that you're looking for? Ooh, I see they fake, man, they took your bruh. But to you, that might not have come off right. My shoes a little bit dirty, but they not off right. You say the retro dropping in the morning, you wasn't lying all night. But some people got them on a freight last week without a fight. They thought it was funny, cause last season they said he didn't have no bunnies. And he swore that this year he's dunking over Shaq, get some 720s. And I had a number that's more money, and that's facts. Them 270s had him dripping with the fluid, but he had to go with the Vapor Max. He got tax. Baby, that's facts. But if he tell you it's a shoe, if he tell you it's a shoes, then he lying. I'm tripping thick, ass sign. I don't know, I'm no disrespect, but I know some people that trip cause they ain't tying. Mag took him back in the future, it's like Martin flying. I got accused of not wanting to win cause I said I ain't tying. They say that boy Nico there, he just kinda odd. Nah, I just got the fear of God. Yeah, I just got the fear of God. I just got the fear of God. They say that boy Nico there, he just kinda odd. Nah, I just got the fear of God. It ain't the shoe from this 413's what it do. I can do what things do. Christ with strength and lift me. And believe me, so good, Jew. It ain't the shoe. No, it ain't the shoe. Jesus, that's it. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou with the rod, the staff, yo, they comfort me. And what's really, yeah, he got me if they comfort me. The special fervent prayer of a righteous man availeth much. So, with God on that prayer hotline, stay in touch, you know. I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. I will fear no evil, I know who's with. No, I will fear no evil, for I know who's with. Jesus. Is my light. Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death,